Hi! In front of me is NOKIA X10, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize the theme of your keyboard on this device. Firstly, open Settings and scroll all the way down. Now select System. Here you need to tap on Languages and Input, then On-Screen Keyboard and Keyboard. Finally, select Theme over here and scroll down. Now you can click on Show More at the bottom right corners to see all available ones. Click on the best one for you. Manage key borders and finally choose Apply. Or you can go into exactly the same settings and customize your theme by tapping on this plus icon under My Themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Finally, click on Next and manage brightness by swiping left or right. Now select Done, manage key borders and choose Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. If you wish to make some changes, you can always click on your keyboard over here, tap on this pen icon next to Pin 1 and adjust it however you wish to. Remember to tap on Apply again. In order to get rid of your keyboard, just click on it, tap on this pin icon and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!